There are not enough air quality monitoring stations in the country. This emerged during the first day of a 3-day Air Quality Lekgotla underway in Kimberley. Industries, including mining companies, are regarded as the main contributors to air pollution. At this stage, it's still difficult to gauge just how severe their impact are. This Air Quality Lekgotla is expected to come up with solutions. Our reporter Puleng Modupe is attending the Lekgotla at the Mittah Seperepre Convention Center in Kimberley.
Kimberley, where the Air Quality Governance Lekgotla is underway. Basically, the Lekgotla they will sit down and discuss on issues and challenges that they are picking up in terms of air quality management and what is it that can be done to ensure that the quality of air is clean. I'm joined by Dr. Thuli, who's going to explain to us just in short on what is it that they are looking into. Doctor, good day. Can you please just in short explain to us in terms of the Air Quality Lekgotla, what is it about, and then what is it that you are doing to ensure that you overcome some of the challenges that you have encountered?
Thank you very much. We meet with all the officials in government who work in air quality, from the national officials, which is ourselves, provincial and municipal officials. We have the Air Quality Act, which is under implementation, and we have the standards which define safe levels of air in the country. So in these conferences we gather annually, we look at the policy work, how far we've come, whether there are areas of improvement or not. We look at how we are monitoring and reporting to the public the state of air quality in the country. We also look at the challenges and how we could together work to resolve the problems. Obviously, municipalities from different areas have different practices and we learn from each other. We also network and improve our systems.
So now what can we expect going forward now? What is it that, like in terms of the decisions that you're taking here, when are you going to implement them?
We are implementing the process of implementation as it is now. But what we do is we then refine. So for example, we have our air quality information stations and we have an application circuit which is available on platforms like Android and iOS, where we communicate the state of air. What we do then from here is we look at what the challenges are and we devise strategies to resolve those problems, and we go out as individuals to work on what we have agreed here. So it's continued implementation and continued improvement of air quality in the Republic.
Now, are you saying that you are happy about the state of the air quality that we have now at this stage, or do you think that more needs to be done in terms of us be able to get a clean air?
That we are now monitoring and we understand the state of air, but I am not happy with the state of air as it is. There are areas in the Republic where there are high pollution problems. For example, the priority areas that the minister declared, you have the Highveld, you have the Valley, you have the Waterberg-Buchanal, and some of the metros, there are real pollution problems. So we really need to do a lot of work going forward with our stakeholders coming on board for us to achieve those objectives. The state of air at this point needs serious improvement, focus, change in major policies in the Republic so that we can achieve the goals that we are looking for. Monitoring as well, we have some monitoring stations that are working, but we do have failures in some of the municipalities where the monitoring network is really underperforming, and we hope that after this conference that we have, we're going to go back to those and look at how we improve those stations, and we can get the information to the public. To us, they are right to know the type of air that they are breathing, because they have a right to an environment that's not harmful to the health and well-being.
One of the National Air Quality Officer, Dr. Thuli, talking to us basically about the challenges that they are having in terms of the air quality in the country. What she's saying is that they are coming together with other stakeholders so that they can sit together and talk about it and see what is it that needs to be done to ensure that the quality of air is improved in the country.